Video I will tell you how to edit the message on the WhatsApp latest update. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what you have to do is to make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp to the latest update and your WhatsApp is running on the latest update. For that, make sure that by going to the Play Store and hitting the search icon, and in the search icon just search WhatsApp in it. So once you do that, you will see that WhatsApp option right over here. Make sure that there is no pending update available. If there is pending update available, make sure you update that thing first. So once you have updated it, go back to your uh, WhatsApp and then type in a message. For example, I'm just going to type in hello, and by mistake, I type in hello. So I have to edit this one. So all I have to do is to hold and press and hold over it, and then click on the three dots on the top right corner, and then there will be an option to edit the text. Now you will see that I can edit the text quite easily by simply clicking on the hello button. By simply editing the message, I'm now able to edit my message and type in hello instead of hello. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.